Hello friends, welcome back. In the modern scenario, almost all the smartphone cameras perform very well in brightly lit situations. Even a mid-range camera can perform as good as a flagship camera in good lighting conditions. But the actual difference comes when there is less of light to play with and the actual hardware or the sensor performance comes into effect in extreme low light situations. So in this regard, today I wanted to compare the OnePlus 9 Pro main sensor compared to the S21 Ultra main sensor to check out the low light performance of both the cameras. Now before talking about the comparison per se, I'd like to show you the actual viewfinder effect of both the cameras. This is basically an indirect measure actual hardware performance of the sensors of each cameras. In this you can see that OnePlus captures more light in dim lit areas whereas Samsung struggles and the photos actually appears very much pixelated. So at the outset I can say that the OnePlus sensor is slightly more powerful and capable of capturing more light and data than the Samsung camera just by the look of the viewfinder. Now let's start the actual comparisons of the individual photos. So taking a look at the first picture, you can see that the OnePlus photo appears slightly yellowish while the Samsung photo appears slightly whitish, but actually the room was very dim lit with a yellow colored bulb, so the actual white balance was nailed by OnePlus, whereas Samsung has gone for a whiter or brighter look. Now coming to the resolution of the photos itself, you can see in the picture frames that the red colors are actually appearing red in OnePlus, whereas on the Samsung it is appearing like water painting or almost smeared. The contrast levels are too high on the Samsung, whereas the colors on the clock frame is also very well retained on the OnePlus. In this image, OnePlus has completely crushed Samsung in almost all aspects of photography. Now coming to the second picture, again this was in the same room, so you can see that the white balance of OnePlus is much better than the Samsung picture. The green colors in the painting is very nicely represented by the OnePlus picture, whereas as again the Samsung S21 Ultra has smeared the look of the picture and almost all the green leaves appear slightly smeared and kind of a watercolor painting. But overall, when you see the texts and other parts of the picture, resolution is very nice in both the pictures, whereas sharpness is slightly higher in the S21 Ultra photo, whereas OnePlus has toned down the sharpness to maintain more details. Again in this third picture of few photo frames, you can see that the white balance is again well retained and well captured by the OnePlus photo, whereas the S21 Ultra goes always for the brighter look. S21 Ultra also goes for the slightly higher contrasty picture and slightly more saturation, whereas OnePlus retains the overall look of the scene even though it's slightly less sharp, and on zooming it produces slightly more details. Now again in this photo of the photo frames that was captured in the first picture, you can see it is a slightly closer photo, but the overall consistency of OnePlus is slightly better than the S21 Ultra. This again is because OnePlus is going for slightly less contrast and less sharpening effect on the pictures captured. But overall, if you are not pixel peeping, both the photos are absolutely stunning for the level of light that was there in that room. Now in this next photo of a sit-out area, you can see there are few colorful lamps in the background which Samsung has completely blown out, whereas each bulb's margin appears quite detailed in the OnePlus photo. Overall, Samsung always tries to completely brighten up the scene and make it like a daylight photo rather than maintaining the ambience of a low light environment. Now if you zoom into the leaves of the trees that are present, you can see OnePlus is slightly less sharp, but Samsung is appearing more brighter and the green is truly bright, whereas there is a lot of shadows in this OnePlus photo. But overall, I think you can slightly edit the OnePlus photo to get it to your liking or make it slightly more brighter, and it can match the Samsung photo, but the Samsung photo cannot be toned down or the resolution cannot come back around the bulbs to come back to the OnePlus level. So here again OnePlus wins. Now in the same scene, I took another photo on the focusing on the chair that was present there. It is made of cane, So you can see in the Samsung photo, because of nice sharpness, the photo looks much better on the Samsung, whereas there is no resolution on the OnePlus photo and it appears slightly hazy. This photo I took on the OnePlus 1 or 2 times just to rule out any kind of hand blur that is happening. But overall I found the Samsung photo to be slightly better because of the sharpness which is actually needed in this kind of photo. Now this next photo I took of the green plant that was present. In this both the photos look equally good. That is slightly more punchier color on the Samsung, whereas the colors are slightly more muted on the OnePlus, but overall the effect is nicely retained in both the cameras. Now slightly moving on to the right side of that image area, you can see it was a slightly more darker environment, and here the raw power of the sensor of the OnePlus comes excellently. You can see that Samsung photo appears more dark in this area, whereas the OnePlus photo retains the nice ambience, as well as you can make out the pots and plants accurately, whereas the Samsung photo is completely dark in those areas. Now again I thought this is again a mistaken photo, so I took repeatedly 2 to 3 times on Samsung S21 Ultra to find out that there is no error happening on my part. But actually the leaves and plants were much well represented on the OnePlus photo, whereas Samsung had completely crushed the shadows. Now again coming to the next photo of my Google Home, you can see that the fabric texture of the Google Home is appearing very sharp on Samsung, whereas the OnePlus photo appears slightly blurred. The overall brightness levels are almost equal in both the photos, but there is again little more sharpness added by Samsung onto its picture. Apart from that, the overall image remains almost similar in both the photos. In this next photo of the clock, you can see that Samsung is again slightly more brighter, whereas OnePlus is slightly more dull appearing, and you can see that the word that the Sinar squares is more defined on the Samsung, whereas you can see that because of the slightly bigger sensor on the OnePlus, the alphabets are slightly blurred out, giving it a natural bokeh effect. The overall resolution and sharpness is almost similar in both the pictures, whereas the name in particular appears more sharp in the Samsung photo. Now again this photo, next photo, it was an extremely dull environment where you can see both of them have done an excellent job of retaining natural colors. But you can see the flower basket appears very sharp on the Samsung, whereas it is slightly less sharp on the OnePlus, but the colors on the flowers appear much more natural on OnePlus, whereas it is slightly washed out in the Samsung. Even the text on the calendar of this photo appears slightly more sharper on the OnePlus, whereas it is slightly less sharper or blurry on the Samsung S21 Ultra. In this next photo, it was completely dark, but I don't know from where Samsung has brought out so much light, and it appears so much better than the OnePlus. OnePlus is having difficulty in focusing in this photo. You can see almost everything looks slightly blurry or hazy. I tried taking 2 times on the OnePlus, but I found that Samsung S21 Ultra repeatedly perfectly focuses on the objects, whereas OnePlus was having some difficulty in getting the focus onto the photos, and the photos look much better and sharper on the Samsung, whereas it is dull and blurry on the OnePlus. So overall, if we talk about the main sensor performance, then the raw hardware of the OnePlus is slightly more powerful than the Samsung S21 Ultra. Now over the years, Samsung has retained its picture taking algorithm similarly of creating slightly brighter and sharper images and oversaturated colors. So same thing continues even in the night mode, whereas OnePlus has done a good job in the nightscape setting, giving good color and brightness balance, whereas Samsung goes into a bright mode but doesn't retain as much details and colors. So overall, the main sensor on the OnePlus is better than the S21 Ultra in low light photos. So this was my review of the photos in low light environment of S21 Ultra versus OnePlus 9 Pro. So thank you guys. If you liked the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.